Buenas tardes todos. Good afternoon everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to tell the time in Spanish, and we're focusing on o'clock and half past to begin with. To ask somebody what the time is in Spanish, we say ¿Qué hora es? Can you have a go? ¿Qué hora es? Which translates to what hour is it? To be able to tell the time, we need to be confident with our numbers. So we've got the numbers in English here. I want you to pause the video and see if you can count to 12 in Spanish. Great, how did you get on? Let's just check. Uno, you say them after me. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12. We only need to go up to 12 because we are only doing the hours today. Okay, let's start then. First of all, you need to be quite confident in telling the time in English to be able to do it in Spanish as well. So look at the clock. What time is it in English first? Correct, it is 5 o'clock. To say that in Spanish, we say son las 5. You have a go. Son las 5. The son las tells us that what hour it is, or that it is o'clock. And then the cinco is the number. Son las 5. 5 o'clock. If it were to be 2 o'clock, it would be son las 2, so the number 2. What do you think we would say to say 3 o'clock? Son las 3. Muy bien. Okay. We have got 8 clocks here, and they're all showing the time, and they're all showing o'clock times. Using son las and the number, I want you to pause the video now and go through and see if you can tell the time on each of these 8 clocks, and then we will check together. How did you get on with that? Shall we check? So this clock is 2 o'clock. Son las 2. 6 o'clock. Son las 6. 9 o'clock. Son las 9. 1 o'clock. Son las 1. 12 o'clock. Son las 12. 7 o'clock. Son las 7. 10 o'clock. Son las 10. 3 o'clock. Son las 3. How did you get on with those? Next then, we're looking at half past. First of all, I want you to tell me what the time is in English that is shown on that clock. Okay, it is 8:30. To say that in Spanish, we say 8:30. This time the number of the hour comes first, so because it's 8:30, we have 8 first, ocho. To say half past, we use y media. It actually translates to 8.5. So if it was 10:30, we would say 10:30. If it was 3 o'clock, 3:30. So the number comes first in this one. Now then, we have different ones here. We have a mixture of o'clock and half past. I want you to pause the video and go through. I'm going to this time write y media here for you for now, to remind you as you're going through. So you need son las. Let's write that one as well. Son las something for o'clock, and then for half past it needs to be something y media. Pause the video while you go through these clocks. How did you get on with that? Shall we check together? 3 o'clock. Son las 3. 9:30. 10:30. 1 o'clock, son las 1. 12 o'clock, son las 12. Son las 12. 7:30, 7:30. 8:30, 8:30. 5 o'clock, son las 5. 2:30, 2:30. 6 o'clock, son las 6. 10:30, 10:30. 11:30, 11:30. 4 o'clock, son las 4. You could practice that throughout the day when you look at the time. If it's an o'clock or a 1/2 time, maybe you could say it in Spanish. In the next video, we're going to be looking at 1/4 and 1/4. Adios.